Hello and welcome to the Craft Bar. I hope you had a great week. I hope you're ready to relax and unwind and ease into some fun crafting for your weekend. This week, my mom made a beautiful set of decoupage 12 by 12 wooden plaques, and they all feature images from the sort of southwest portion of the United States. Mostly they're pastoral, and then some historic ones as well. This first one is like national parks. That's what I'm inspired by when I see this. It is, as I said, 12 inches by 12 inches, and it's wood. And my mom added on the back herself the hanging brads. And then she outlined, after she applied the images with Mod Podge, then she went back and embellished this one with some twine, some kind of coarse string that she must have, she did glue it in place. I don't know what she used to do that, but it's nice and straight and very taut too, so not coming off. Like the owl perched. I don't know why I think Matthew McConaughey when I see that. I guess that's the Texas in me. Here, I've got Brad Pitt. River runs through it. Show my age. I like this, the desert sunset. Horses and the bears. So, very pastoral. And then the second one. Ooh, not hit my microphone. This is images from the Old West. So I see deadwood. Kind of you can see that, but it is kind of faint. It says deadwood in the plaque, like you're heading into town. Cattle drive. That's a modern picture of some agave. Very pretty. I love that. That's a common plant we have here, is an agave, and it's not a hesperella, but something along the same lines. Gentleman playing cards. I wonder if that's a real image or AI. Cute. Kind of a Spanish style village front with a stucco. Same thing here. Uh-huh. That southwestern taste with added bite and the rattlesnake. And then in addition to the twine, she's added metal facets in the corners. I'll come in closer so you can see that. These nice metal corner pieces on all four corners, and then some metal Lone Star pieces, some metal stars, which is very accurate for Texas. That's cute. That's the second one. Ooh, all right. So this next one is for Native American imagery. I wonder if these are real photos. I hope so. That one I've seen. So a combination of photographs and of paintings of historic things and then of modern looks. And she's also here added those nice metal riveted edges. And she painted the boards before she covered them. She's painted some of them in different shades, and so here she's allowed some of the yellow board to peek through, and that's part of the decor. It frames out. It's hard to get onto camera because these are so big. I'll bring it down. You can see here with the I was gonna say a wolf, but I know it's not. That's a dog. And then teepees, women weaving. I like this one. I like this one. I realize I'm pointing off camera here. The Fighting Nation. The Fighting Chief of the Sioux Nation with Buffalo Bill's Wild West. And this is one really nice piece. This corner, very, very nice. Okay. These will make a great wall display. And I think that's her intention, is to gift them as a set so they can make a nice wall panel display. Here are women of the Old West. And so she's featured some lovely, all the women who helped make the West, the Wild West, and the Old West a success. I guess she's probably thinking Annie Oakley with this one, or the artist. And again, photographs, you've got women of all types. So not just one type of woman of the Old West, but all the women who made it work. Photographs, both old and more. This looks like one you could take in a historic photo reenactment shop. And some photographs and some paintings. Annie Oakley, Here she's got a key, more of the stars, a little bit of the rope, and the corners. So get a bit of everything here. Get the Lone Star in there. Get everything on this one for the ladies. The women of the Old West. And it is sort of a nice burnt orange color. All right, this is the final one. This is Men of the Old West. And here we have a gentleman on his horse riding out. I don't know, that's a fancy set of doors. Was he inside? Got a guy on his guitar. These fellas. Now, there's a woman in there. I like it. She's sneaking by. They're letting her hang out. And these fellas, lonesome, by his trail fire. And finally, the bankers in town. They are probably getting the railroad ready to run out Old West. Well, this one also that kind of nice burnt orange color. So she stuck to a palette that really works well with the colors of the pictures. And all the pictures she did get from a history of the Old West, thanks to cutout and collage. So she said she saw this and she was inspired, wanted to decoupage. So she found a 12-inch by 12-inch crafter's hanging piece of wood. And this is how it came, with a string through it. But she took the string out and added her own hanging apparatus. She got this from the Dollar Tree, and she only bought one, and then decided she wanted to do a whole series. And luckily my sister came to the rescue and found a Dollar Tree that actually had them, and we went and picked them up. But this History of the Old West, she picked this up at Amazon, and here's some extra photos and things she's clipped out. But this was Letitia Ralph, and this is the second book my mom has purchased of images and really enjoyed that for a variety, that it's sort of modern and old, both artwork and photographs, a strong combination of everything. So hope you enjoyed, hope you had a great week. Again, have fun crafting this weekend. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Every Friday we put out a new happy hour to get you ready for your weekend. Thanks for watching tonight. Bye-bye.